Alright guys, let's continue our tutorial. In this episode, we will be talking about headings and typography. So, nag-create ako ng isang file 03heading.html. Then, let's create the skeleton and have a title. Heading and typography. Okay. But before we proceed, I would like to show you something. So, last time, di ba, para ma-load natin sa browser, nakita ninyo, I drag yung file here, right? So, I'll just add some text dito. Yan, no? And then, every time na mag-change, nagre-refresh tayo, di ba? Pero that's tedious. So, this time, let's introduce something called Go Live that will make life easier. So, here, click on Extensions, and then type Live Server here, okay? And this one, choose this, and then sa akin installed na, so just install this, no? After installing, what will happen is on the lower right portion of Visual Studio Code, makikita nyo itong Go Live, and then just click here. There we go. Gagawa siya ng live server. Now when I say live server, ang ibig sabihin, each time na may change, and then I'll save like this. Tingnan niyo mangyayari. Palakihin ko muna. If I save, automatically magre-refresh yung screen. So no more tedious dragging and refreshing ng browser. Okay, let's continue with our topic. Let's start first with headings. And when I say headings, it's this tag, H1. As we can see, H1 is for titles. At ang HTML ay mayroong possible na 6 titles. H6. Again, 6 possible headings. Tingnan natin ang kanilang display sa screen. Yon, title 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, simula sa pinakamalaki hanggang sa pinakamaliit. So, let's add a comment here. Ang comment nga pala sa HTML is this, less than symbol, exclamation, and dalawang dash. So, headings. Pero, if you use Visual Studio like I do, you can press Control and slash, and it will create a sample. It will create the comment for you. Okay. The next one would be paragraphs. Paragraphs separate text with each other. Okay. Let's add a paragraph here. I'll add some test data dito, lorem. If you type lorem sa Visual Studio Code, it will give you some dummy text. Okay. So tingnan natin kung may isa pang paragraph, and then type lorem there. Ayan. So, makikita natin na the P tag, the paragraph tag, separates yung mga sections with each other. Now, let me introduce something sa lorem, no? If you type lorem and then a word like, for example, 2, gagawin niya dalawang word na dummy text. For example, lorem 5 or lorem 10. You can also do like lorem 100. Yan, no? Laki. Yun. So, depende kung ano yung need ninyo, pwede nyo gamitin yung lorem to generate dummy text. Ngayon, may ipapapansin ako sa inyo. Halimbawa, I added new lines here, makikita natin na walang new line na nangyari. So, the second line is still joining yung first line, ano? So, kasi sa HTML, para magkaroon ng new line, you guessed it, you need a tag. Ang tawag sa kanya is BR, which is break. Yun. So, kung gusto nyo ng maraming new lines, maglagay tayo ng maraming break. Right? Now, meron pang isa. Here, dagdagan ko siya ng maraming space. At sinave ko, makikita natin walang nangyayaring pagbabago. Kasi sa HTML, spaces are not recognized. So, kailangan, isang space lang, multiple spaces are not recognized. So, kailangan, if you want spaces, you need to add something called a non-breaking space. Yan. So, ang kanyang syntax ay ampersand, NBSP, and then semicolon. Right? Isa pa. NBSP, NBSP, NBSP. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo ng maraming space, maglagay ng maraming NBSP. Alright, what else? So, meron ding strong. Tingnan natin ang kanyang effect. Yon. Meron ding EM for emphasis. Okay? Ito siya. Nagi siyang italics. So, maglagay tayo ng break. And then, meron del. Meron ding del. Yon. Del will add yung strike through. What else? We also have something called a key BD. So, for example, if you want to highlight something called Control C, you have a text here. For example, please hit Control C. Tingnan natin ang itsura, no? Ayan. And you want na ma-highlight yung Control C, magkaroon siya ng kakaibang display, you can use key BD. Right? So, yun. Okay? So, that's all for our headings and typography. On the next topic, we will be discussing entities. Ang isa nga dyan ay yung NBSP, and we will be discussing iba pang entities na kagaya nito. Alright? See you there.